Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking onto this video. So in today's video I will be cooking my favorite dish of all time. It's fried okra, and I will be cooking it with some fried butter fish, which I have seasoned here. It's the fillet. And so let me show you what I will be putting in my okra. I will be putting some scallions, onions, bell pepper, tomato, weary pepper, and some garlic. So I already went ahead and cut up the okra, and this is about 2 pounds of okra. It look a little bit, but I don't know, it's gonna have to work. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and cut up all of these things, and I will be right back. I will be using this garlic crusher to crush my garlic because I like doing it this way. And you can get one at Marshall's if you have a Marshall's in your area. If you're in Guyana, you're watching this, go on the market. You find one by the market there, by Bounty, Survival. I'm gonna put some oil in this pan, and when you're cooking okra, have to use a little extra oil because okra just, I don't know, it does just sap up the oil like nobody's business. Whew. So I'm gonna let that heat up. Alright, I'm going to see if the oil is hot enough. So I'll test it by putting it in there. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to add to this is my garlic and pepper. A little bit of this Maggi, crushed Maggi cubes. I'm going to pour the okra into this pan. I'm gonna let it fry up for a little bit. I'm not gonna put the cover on it or anything because I like it to be dry down, and I will come back to show you. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of this Bragg apple cider vinegar. And my okra is all done. It's tasting a little bit on the salty side, so I'm going to add some onions to this and let it cook for an additional couple minutes. So this is my meal. I know my okra is looking a little burnt, but I like my okra like this, to be honest. However, this is the end result. Here's my fish and here's some jasmine rice. Everything looks so good. So I'm about to go have my lunch. It's a late lunch. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and you will try some okra, fried up okra. Try it out. I'm telling you, okra is my fave. I love it. Some good old butter fish. Thank you for watching. I will see you in another video very soon. Bye.